In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix TCL Wi-Fi not connecting. So the first thing I did is that I went into settings here on my TCL TV, and then I clicked on all settings right here. As you can see, it's on all settings. And you should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So now what you actually have to do, you need to scroll down in here as you can see, and then just keep scrolling down until you can see system. So click on system, and then you need to click on date and time here as you can see. So for some reason, you have to click here, by the way, automatic date and time. So some reason, if your auto sync is off here, your Wi-Fi will not work properly. This might sound a bit strange, but bear with me, this actually works. So if you actually click on auto synchronization here, if you have that option, it should fix a lot of the Wi-Fi issues that you are experiencing. Or if you want to, you can also, of course, set this one to off and just adjust your time here and date exactly how you want, but make sure it's correct. If it's not correct, if it's even like 1 or 2 days behind or even some hours behind, it might mess up with your Wi-Fi, just so that you're completely aware of that. I just do this and then it perfectly works for me. So try this and hopefully this is going to fix it for you as well.